We are asked to solve for y, and the y in this case is inside of a parentheses. So we're going to have to take on a couple of different things to get the y by itself. First of all, I'm just going to rewrite. And now that I have a little more room, I'm going to start off by distributing the 10 that is outside of the parentheses. And that way I'll be able to get rid of the parentheses altogether. So I'm going to multiply the 10 and the y, and the 10 and the minus 3. And the 10 and the y give me a 10y. The 10 times the minus 3 gives me a minus 30 equals c. So in that first step, I've already gotten rid of the parentheses. And now this looks a little bit more manageable, because next I can move any of the terms that do not have y over to the other side. And since that minus 30 doesn't have a y, I can move it by adding 30 to the left-hand side, as long as I add 30 to the right-hand side as well. On the left, those 30s then cancel. Bringing down the 10y, I now have 10y equals, on the right-hand side, the c plus the 30. No like terms there, so I can't combine. I'm just going to have to leave that c plus 30. But now I am almost home free. I just need to get the y completely by itself. So I need to get rid of the 10. Currently, the 10 and the y are being multiplied. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide the left-hand side by 10. And in order to do that, I need to divide the right-hand side by 10 as well. The 10s then on the left-hand side cancel, leaving me with just the y. So we've gotten the y by itself. That's what we were shooting to do. On the right-hand side, though, the c plus the 30 in the top doesn't simplify with the 10 in the bottom. So we're going to leave this as our solution. If you are tempted to try to simplify the 30 and the 10, remember, in order to cancel and simplify that fraction, we would need to cancel with both terms in the top, both the c and the 30. And since the c and the 10 won't simplify, then our fraction won't simplify.